I'm joined by Top Chef Judge Gail Simmons. Good morning, Gail.
Hi, Carly. Happy holidays.
You too. Happy holidays. I love Top Chef. It's one of my favorite shows. I watch it every week.
Oh,
I've watched it,
thank you.
for years. I love it. You do a great
Awesome.
job.
Thanks so much.
Yes, yes, yes.
I have a lot of fun. I have to say, I love my job.
I'm sure you do. It looks like a lot of fun, eating all that great food. So the holidays are here, as we said, and I think a lot of us are always looking for holiday menu ideas that are easy to make and also taste great, and I'm sure you have a lot of great recipe ideas for us. I would love to hear about them.
Sure. Well, the thing with the holidays is that you are spending so much time with family and friends. You don't want to spend your day in the kitchen. So you want food and recipes that are easy, but that really look impressive and that are compliment worthy, that really impress your guests, because you want to make them feel special. That's the time of year. So I have a few recipes that I think do just that. My go-to ingredient for the holidays is Pepperidge Farm puff pastry. You can find it in the frozen section at your grocery store, and it is one of those ingredients that if you have it, you can make dozens and dozens of different things, from hors d'oeuvres to desserts. So you want to hear a couple of my favorites?
Yeah.
Okay, great. An hors d'oeuvre that I love this season that I'm making a lot is a sausage, pepper, and onion bundle. It's an Italian-American flavor combination that I adore. I've mixed and sauteed sausage, pepper, and onions together in a pan, and then I take out a tablespoon of the mixture and I put it into a round of puff pastry that I then bundle up and seal at the top, bake in the oven till it's golden, garnish with some fresh chives, and then I have some marinara sauce or some spicy brown mustard that I use for dipping afterwards. It's a great hors d'oeuvre. People can hold it in one hand, eat it easily while they have a cocktail in the other.
That looks great.
Thank you. Good. Well, give it a try. It's easy and it's always delicious. And then I have a couple desserts. I'm a dessert girl. I never leave a holiday party without at least a bite of something sweet. So one of my favorite desserts this season are profiteroles. They're a French dessert that I'm sort of making a little twist on. They're sort of like an ice cream sandwich, and I'm dressing them up a bit. I take a round of puff pastry, and I bake it in the oven until it's golden, puffs up, cut it right in half, and I have sort of two sides. I take the one side on the bottom of a plate, scoop my favorite ice cream flavor on top of it, top with that second half of the round, and then I drizzle it with chocolate sauce and sprinkle with some peppermint candies, you know, those red and white candies that you always see over the holidays. Crush them up, sprinkle them right on top. And then one of my favorite desserts of all time is a British dessert called banoffee pie, and I'm making sort of my rendition for the holidays. Layers of sliced banana, caramel sauce, puff pastry, whipped cream, and some chocolate shavings on top. This, for me, is a showstopper. It's one of my favorite desserts.
We will definitely look forward to using some of these recipes. Can we find them anywhere?
Sure. Go to puffpastry.com for these recipes and many more.
Great. Thank you, Gail. Have a good day.
Thanks a lot. Happy holidays.
You too.